What is that? Ganyan siya katukatid. Pag walang sakit. What is that, Ilbis? What you want? Inay, what you want? You want to go out? Inay, kami to mommy. Kami. You just sit down, okay? Because raining. Sit down. Don't go. Sit down only. Good boy. Sit down there. What's the rain? Manto. Good boy, Manto. Good boy. Who's good boy? Elvis. Aba. Elvis man yan. Good boy man yan. Good boy man tong baby ni Mami. Kumain ng KFC. Naman daw ito. Mahal na mahal ko to. Ay. Sit down. Mommy says, sit down only. Because raining. Don't go. Just sit down there. I have still sauce there. Because we eat KFC. Diyan niya. Manto. Ayan, kinagat siya ng possum. Nakipag-away siya ng possum. Kaya yan. Nagkasakit siya. Yan, laki-laki ng possum. Hindi niya kaya. Siya ang natalo. Bayot man to kasi si Elvis. Don't go, Mommy says. It's raining. You see? It's raining. Raining. Not see? You have a lot here. Oh, we eat this one. We eat. You like? Like this? Here it is. Tukatid man to. Nyoy man to. Come in. Get inside. Bye-bye, guys.